following message is transmitted at the request of the Santa Cruz County Emergency Management Agency. Around 6:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a heavy and destructive severe thunderstorm was located in the city of Santa Cruz. Residents living in the area must shelter in place until the storm has passed. Do not attempt to go outside as it is extremely dangerous. For more information, call the Santa Cruz County Emergency Management Agency at 1-833-454-4120 or visit https://www.fema.gov or call the National Weather Service in the San Francisco Bay Area by calling toll-free 1-831-656-1725 and leave your damage report when you can do so safely.